Hi, dear friends. Today we are just working in some tiles making. Is we are a Bible college and seminary students, and we are cleaning some tiles. And we are working here. We are removing the tiles.
Yeah, thank you for your. Just pour one time and then add last you pour again.
Yeah, we are working very hard, and that brothers are from Telangana.
Yes, yeah.
And
Please subscribe.
yeah,
Please support him.
this is our brother
Such one
Samuel
good girl for him. We need support.
from Nagaland.
Yeah, thank
He's
you
studying
for
MD
your
third year.
photo. This is my channel. Please subscribe and thank you for your taking video. Subscribe and subscribe. Yeah,
They're working very hard.
Hey, look here,
Just putting here. Our manager sir and pastor is here. We are doing. This is our manager sir and supervisor. You're calculating something. Yeah, we'll just put together like this the tiles, and after cleaning by water.
The tiles. Oh, good work, man. Very good, no? Thank you, thank you.
This is how we clean the tiles. And this South Kerala,
Are you
South India, Kerala.
steal water from me?
My friend from Madhya Pradesh. No, sorry, he's from Manipur. My mouth sometimes gone wrong.
My tongue is slip.
See there, that sound.
Tongue is slip. Hey, thank you, bro.
This is our founder's compound. This is how we are going to build the wall, and just broke it there. And this is how they works. This is the compound. We are digging here because water used to go inside. Gyan Singh from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh, MP.
Yeah, MP. He's working very hard.
The town goes.
And
The level
one
is
thing
not
I
too
will
much.
tell, this brush is not belongs to him, he's stealing the stealing and bringing. After the sisters came to know about this, then they will kill him.
No, I just.
Oh, hey, what is this? Oh, that video also he took.
Half.
Come on. This much you are smelling like this.
Look. Mom, there is no deal.
이거 캠era만 섬름 섬는데 하고 캠era만 섬마 우리 산질 보임 좀 nem 섬섬데 하고 캠era 섬마 हाँ क्वालिटी हाँ वहाँ से इधर कम गाजी ना दिखा क्वालिटी हमारे बने
English man, no. You will not understand, no?
English sir
No, you don't speak your language.
my language people to look into yes we are seminary students we need to learn many things how to clean the towns and how So we are putting here by motor the water. Yes, Samuel from Tamil Nadu is working very hard.
All shopping, just doing shopping mall and seeing all. Only one thing we can buy.
Coconut tree, some guava, mango, flowers.
Hey,
and
water! Here also no water.
RBCS boys are playing girls social and found this home
Slowly. After we
after work hard. Yes,
you have to say after work. We are
Yes.
playing here.
but I am not playing.
No, don't say something. Don't change the home.
Yes,
Volleyball, they are practicing now. So Eliza boy, he is stretching very nice with you. Every time, thank you so much for your sensitive.
yes. Very very thanks.
We can play football sometime.
Yes.
Like this only one time. A Samuel fellow, Tamil Nadu. One more person.
Kick.
Do subscribe. Slowly, man. Guys, simply play now. Black. It's too deep.
This is Palantura Girls Parking, Girls Playground.